Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. This is how champions win. This is how champions win. I was watching igame yeMamelodi Sundowns versus iSikhukhune United namhlanje bafethu. To be honest, le game le bafethu ibi tough kakhulu. Yabo ibi tough kakhulu. Ubusibona iSikhukhune United ukuthi beso zama the same experiment esiyizamile against iOrlando Pirates ukuthi bahlale at the back, ba defender, bajida bangayi kakhulu phambili. Yabo because babonile ukuthi leyo nto ibasebenzelile kuOrlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates ibi frustrated kakhulu phambili, bebengawatholi amathuba ukuthi bakhahlele kahle phambili, basebenzise amathuba abawatholayo. But ke namhlanje bathe azini asizame the same experience against iMamelodi Sundowns, sibone ukuthi sizokwazi ukuthi sihambe with iphuzu. Eric Tinkler namhlanje bafethu ubeyenzile iplan yakhe, ubeyibukile iMamelodi Sundowns indlela edlala ngakhona. So baqhamuka nephuzu ke lokuthi abahlale emuva ba defend, kodwa balithola ithuba, belithola ithuba baye phambili bazame ukuyithusa eMamelodi Sundowns. Niyibonile ke ifirst half yale game, it was a end to end type of game. Niyibonile iSikhukhune bizama ukuya phambili kodwa ke ibuye izemuva, izohlala kakhulu emuva. Ibhola ade liphethwe iMamelodi Sundowns, most of the game ibhola ade liphethwe iMamelodi Sundowns. Abadlali abayishintshile le game le, okuntshotshiswa lo amjide lo uResino, lo amjide lo ukwazile ukuthi ayishintshe igame for iMamelodi Sundowns because iqalile ke yadlala iSundowns, yakwazi usithola igoli lokuqala sekuedwa ama-minutes ogcina ngci, yawazi ukuthi ithole futhi igoli lesibili selikoro lomfana lo uMonisi. Mina la engizokusho, this is how Ompetha, this is how abantu abazowina ileague bedlala ngakhona. Yabo, they managed to find a way against a team like iSikhukhune United esinikeze kanzima, i-team enjengo-Orlando Pirates ebukeka as ama-favorite ukuthi iwine le league le. I know ukuthi league i-marathon, I know ukuthi i-league i-marathon and iSikhukhune United i-team dangerous, i-team ongamele uyithathe kancane. So lokho ke sikubonile this past weekend ngosikhathi bedraw 0-0 against iOrlando Pirates on the same venue lapho khona iMamelodi Sundowns efikile yazothatha u3 points bedlala away. Angizokusho nje kukodwa, Orlando Pirates if they manage to beat iMamelodi Sundowns, that doesn't mean Orlando Pirates izoyiwina iBetway Premiership. If Orlando Pirates beat iMamelodi Sundowns on the 18th February, that really doesn't mean we are going to win the league. Akusho ukuthi soyiwina ileague because we keep on doing the same thing. When we are playing against these teams, Sikhukhune, we don't put our best players, we don't put our A game against these players, against these teams. Yabo. Singayishaya Sundowns, yes, it's a big thing to beat iMamelodi Sundowns, but can we give the same energy against these small teams? Can we give the same energy against these small teams like Golden Arrows, Richards Bay, Chippa United, Imakesi CFC, Sekhukhune United? No shade to those guys. No shade. Yeah, but compared to Orlando Pirates is a big team. This is how Mamelodi Sundowns, they get to win the leagues each and every season because they put their A game each and every game. Each and every team they face with the Premiership, they tend to put their A game. This is how champions win. That's all I can say regarding le game atengibuwa namhlanje. It nearly ended as a draw, but the players, the mentality of the players, you saw in their eyes what they really wanted the win. Yabo. They really wanted the win. For the coach, kakhulukazi, because there are many talks regarding Ukados. So they really wanted that win. Right now, bahlele nje 32, Orlando Pirates inabani 29 points. It's a really tough situation. Let's hope Mamelodi Sundowns is about to drop our points going forward. But again, it's a highly unlikely situation to see a team like Mamelodi Sundowns dropping points. Will Orlando Pirates continue to win games? Will they cover Mamelodi Sundowns? Because if Orlando Pirates win against Imakesi, they will have 32 points. So the defining match will be against the Mamelodi Sundowns versus the Orlando Pirates. If Orlando Pirates win that game, they will be number 1. And they must win each and every game until the last day of the league if they want to win the league. That's all I can say. If Orlando Pirates want to win the league, they must beat Mamelodi Sundowns and win each and every remainder of the games that they are going to play. We are not in a Champions League. Orlando Pirates is not in the Champions League. We have players who can do that. Sinawo abadlali abangakwazi basenzele lokho. ingabe sizokwazi ukuselecta the best players to do that? Ingabe sizoyeka yini uku-undermine these small teams? Asazi. But ke wena ungangitshela ngokwakho, how do you feel regarding le game ade siyibona namhlanje?